Free double up.
Y'all know what the fuck it is.
Wow.
It's a Glock party.
Aye. We be on the J for real, shooting shit like Trenchman shot him. Silly 10 for 10, we get it bust. Tell them free or down. 700 hoe pull up with mo. This bitch sound like a chop. Fuck a label, bitch, we independent. With my $1 million. I got niggas mad, I fuck this bitch, but I ain't use a con. Goofy niggas claim they rep the gang, but they don't be around. City going crazy on my baby, we got Huey poppin'. I just dropped 800 on this Glock, but they think Louis shot. Free Shaquille, Percy rep the 5, I think he CBL. Disrespect, bitch, the block gon' ride like they got CDL. Try to run, caught a ass shot, that's a BBL. RIP the guys, free the ops so they can ride in hell. Niggas lying like they with the shits, but niggas try to tell. Speaking on Lil D like he won't tweak, shit'll get you nailed. I'm my brother's keeper, call Lil Sam, guess they want that belt. Quantity ain't for nothing, pull up plus and we leave niggas straight. Fuck the other side, we send a shot, bro, this a Glock party. Come outside, this bitch gotta drop that low, we gon' pop shit. Fuck the other side, don't get caught lacking, we gon' drop something. Bitches nasty over there, I heard they got something. Fuck the other side, we send a shot, bro, this a Glock party. Come outside, this bitch gotta drop that low, we gon' pop shit.